Hello everyone, I hope everything is okay as you're finding your way through these new computer technologies. So if it is your first time to be on my channel, I'm called Harriet, guiding you through these new computer technologies. So today basically we are going to handle something very new in Microsoft Excel worksheet. That is basically how to make a report card. So if you're a teacher or you're an upcoming teacher, please don't forget to subscribe and watch and learn more on how to make a report card for your students or for your pupils back at school. Please, this is the only way you have to go. Please subscribe and follow me always to guide you through. So basically, without wasting time, we are going to open one of our documents here in Excel. So this is our Excel, and we are going to deal on something in book 2. Okay, here is a report card. Assume it is your report card for your students back at school. And here are the names of your students in your class. This is the first test, second test, maybe marked out of 25, then the final marked out of 50 to sum up the total to what? To 100%. And here you want to find your grading, the average, the position, then you put your remarks. So here you're going to start by entering the marks of your students for the first test, then the second test, then the final, and you find your total. So here you enter the marks of your students for the first test. Assuming Harriet had 25 out of 25, you enter. You proceed by the filling until you complete for all the students in your class. So after filling up the marks, now we are going to get the total of the marks of our students in class. Just click on equal sign. Then you go to function to choose. Then you select sum. Come to OK. Click on it because we are going to deal with the summation. So as you can see, it comes automatically. Harriet here has 98% as her total. So here, without wasting time, if you want to get a total of all the students at once, you just come and click at the extreme end of this cell here. Click on it, then you press and you hold. You press and hold, then you pull it down to get the total at once. Then you leave it like that. As you can see, the total just comes automatic without you wasting time, like making a total for one student at a time. So that's all about making a total for your student at once. So here, when you're coming, if you want to grade, you click on the cell you want your formula to start. You want to make a formula on. Click on equal sign. Then you just type if. It comes automatic, as you can see. Then you open the bracket. This is the formula for finding your grade. Then you click on this cell here. You want to start it from here, from 98. You click on this first cell here. Then you greater, that is a greater or equal to 90. So you want your 90 to be a, put it in quotes, put a comma. Here actually, when you're making this formula here, you must be very accurate so that you can also come up with the correct answer. If you put a wrong formula, meaning even your answer will not come. You still type if, open a bracket, click on the first cell, put greater or equal to 80, open the quotation, here be, put comma, Type if, open a bracket, click on the first cell, greater or equal to 70, comma. So the 70 you want it to be a C, comma. Type if, open the bracket, come to the first cell, click on it, greater or equal to 60. So that your 60 will be a D. Type again if, open the bracket, come to the first cell, click on it, greater or equal to 50%. So your 50 will be a E. If, open bracket, click on the first cell, greater or equal to 40. So this one you want it to be your O, in case it is there. Then after putting all what you want, you're going to close your bracket, but you must close the bracket with all these brackets. I mean, you're going to put all the brackets here when you're closing them. And you have to count all this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, you have to put 6 brackets here to close your work. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To prove like your formula is correct, you just click enter. It will give you automatically the gradings that you want. So here we are just going to click end. Okay, to prove like your formula is correct, you just click on enter, and you can see it will just show you automatically 98 as your A, meaning you used a wrong formula. So here, without wasting time, if you want to grade for all the students within the shortest time, just come and click on this square button here on our cell at the extreme end. You click on it and you press and you long hold it, pull it down so that your grading comes automatic. As you can see, it's already done for all your students at the same time. And then we go to average. Click equal sign and go to function. You choose average. And your average comes automatic. So this is your average for Harriet. So without wasting time, to repeat the same procedure for all your students, just still come and click on this square casting here at the extreme end, then you long hold, you press it, then you pull it down for all your students at once. So that is the average for all your students. You've worked it out just within the shortest time. And now actually positioning your students in class, you're going to use the same formula, the one you use for finding the grading for your students, except that you're going to change only some small things here. So here you just press equal sign, then you type if, you open your bracket, so you want to position them according to the grading. So here you just click on where you want it to begin from. Then you just let us position them according to the marks. It will still work out. Then you put greater or equal to, still 90. We use the marks for positioning them. We can even use a grading. It can still work out and give us the same thing. But here we are going to use the marks for positioning our students in class. So here this is 90. You're going to use the same procedure, but you're just going to change something small here. So 90, anyone with 90 will be in the first position. Then you close the quotation, proceed, type F, click on the cell where you want it to begin from. So after putting your formula here, just enter. Yeah, as you can see, it becomes automatic. That actually here, Harriet is our number 1, meaning she was our best student. So here, without wasting time, like repeating the same procedure for all students, just shorten it in this way. Click on that first cell, then you come to this small square, the small square here, click on it, then you press and you hold, then you pull it down like this to position all your students at once, and you leave it there. As you can see, it's already done. You're done with positioning your students at once without wasting time. So members, that is all about how to make a report card. You can even add other things like remarks for your students. You still use the same procedure, except you only change some small things like good, fair, achieved, and other things when you're making your remarks. But use the same procedure and the same formula for positioning and also for grading. So members, that is all about making a report card. And here, like maybe if a student comes to you like, you see, no sir, oh madam, you see my marks are like this and this, you can still change after even entering into your records. Maybe assuming it is Harriet who came with a complaint. Maybe here for her she had, maybe for her here in test 2 she had 25 out of 25. You can still change and enter the marks like this. You come and click on here and you see it changes automatically. The total will just come automatic to 99. Or even maybe you miss one of the students. You can still add the student's name here. Or just come here to this last cell here, you add the name.
I saw your DP.
Keep on entering the marks.
Your DP. Status photo. Status photo. I was like, why did you even put that one?
So here, the total will just come, everything will come automatically after you entering the marks of your student in test 1, test 2, then the final. As you saw, the total just came automatic, even the grading, plus even average and the positioning. So it is just something very easy, not again wasting your time, making one thing at a time. Just come here automatic, you do your thing very fast. So here, that is the end of our tutorial on how to make a report card. So please make you follow me on other tutorials on the new computer technology. So the next time I'll be handling other things on Excel. So please don't miss, subscribe and watch. Please like it even and share with your friends. Thank you very much. May God bless you.